Alright, we back. Man, oh man, oh man. We missed our trade, y'all, during that. We said we was looking for uptrend form above here. Boom, break. This was our entry. Take it to the high. Dang, we missed that mug. All because the dang trading view was tripping. But it's alright. We still can find a decent trade, y'all. We still can find a decent trade. What we looking for now is see if we gonna build structure above this daily gap. Alright, we're gonna see if we can build structure above. We got our high, got our low. Can we make another higher high? Or do we see market push back inside and go back down? And y'all excuse me, I got some breakfast right now too. But we definitely missed our main trade, man. I'm a little sorry about that. That's what we was looking for. That was literally what we was looking for right here. But it's alright. It's alright. It's alright. I mean, it's always gonna be more opportunity. I think these shorts coming in now, though. Ain't these shorts about to come in now? Let's drop down to that 1 minute. I think we probably finna come take these low. We might get in one light. Just so we can close underneath. Thinking these shorts about to come through. Let's see if we can close underneath or not. We're gonna get in a little early. Oh, wrong. Bye. Just a quick scout we trying to get. See if it can close inside this gap. Go to the 5 minute. We do got a 5 minute gap here though. It can bounce off of us. So we might have to see if we can push through. Need to close inside here though. Alright, we did. See. I could bring stop down now. Let's set it at the gap. I think I want to cut. I don't even want to play it. We gonna go and cut it. We gonna cut that because I ain't like it breaking that high right there. We gonna let that. We gonna go and cut that. It had to close back red for me now. This candle had to close back red. Hey, we sure missed our main trade though. I give us 2 more trades, and then if we don't get none, we just gonna call it. All right. Cause like I said, we missed our main trade. I don't even really want to play around too much. So I give us 2 more trades, and then we gonna call it. Definitely getting that push. I do like loans above there. Let's see what the next 5 minute high. Got 5 minute high there. And here. We on M and Q. I think I'm gonna set a limit order when it gets there. Let me see. As long as we close green here. $17. You know what? I'm gonna wait till this counter close. I don't want it to wake up, come down. So I'm gonna wait till it actually close green first. 7, 6, 5, 4. All right, look like we're gonna close green. I can set it. Bye. All right. Got the buy there. Target. Sell limit. We're gonna set it at that daily gap up here. That's gonna be our target. Just in case we push up to it. But once we get in, I'm gonna let it play. Cause I'm definitely not getting out here. I'm gonna let it try to push up to this next gap. That's where our stop loss might be at. Unless we get triggered. If we get triggered, if it don't just come switch back to a downtrend. But our original stop loss, once we get triggered, I'm gonna set a stop here. But I can't set it right now until we get triggered. And I think I figured out what was wrong with my meta, y'all. Let's go to meta real quick. Let's see if it's looking like that still. I think I found out what was wrong with the meta. Look at this. Remember we had meta on. Oh no, it's still messed up. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. What I was gonna say was, man, the whole time, why y'all ain't tell me my dang stocks? I ain't had the real time data on my stocks. I ain't even know. But that ain't even it. I ain't had real time data on my stocks this whole time. And we've been making money off that mud. That's crazy. That's crazy. But that's probably because we use higher time frames. But I was looking, this is what made me figure it out, y'all. I was looking at my hourly, right? Hold up, let me see if we finna get triggered first. Oh, it's pushing up. Look like we about to get triggered. Look like we about to get triggered. Like we said, stop gonna be right down here. Hopefully it don't just hit this first high and come right back down. Stop us out. I'm gonna be mad. I don't know how mad I'm gonna be if it does that. Like, cause literally the first high is right there at 25,780. Like when it triggers, it gotta push up. It gotta push. It's like 790. Cause I do not. I literally I don't wanna unless I go heavier. If I get like 10 contracts, maybe I can just go ahead and cut like 8 right there and then hold 2. I could do that. I could do that. We might actually do that. Let me see if we got time before this mud push up. Maybe not 8. Maybe just do 4. No, 6 maybe. And then close there. I think that's probably what we might do. We got buy stop. One more. Sell limit. A little higher. A little higher. I think we got 6. Oh, we got 2, 4, 6. Yeah, I think 6 of them set. I think. Hopefully it is. Let's see, this 1. Hold on, that's only. Okay, so how you do? Look, let's exit all, reset it, because I don't know what the heck going to happen. I could have sworn I put 6. Let's do 6 here, 6. So that'll put 3 and 3. Y'all know I told y'all, give me time to get used to this trader rate. So that'd be 3 contracts. Then we're going to set the sell limit right here. Alright. Then we're going to just set a regular to one order here. So that means buy. And then we're going to set our sell limit up here. Alright, I think that's how we want it. But it need to come up though. They playing games. It's time to consolidate. That's not what we need to see. Alright, I think we set now. There we go. That's what we look for. Once we trigger though, the first set we gotta have that stop loss real tight. That first set. Second set we will be a little bit more lenient. But them consolidating, we probably won't even be able to get triggered. If it make a lower low, I don't think I'm gonna get in just yet. I'm gonna wait. Or I'm gonna reduce. We just gonna get in that one contract. If it come make this lower low with a red candle. Oh man, excuse me. That breakfast is good. Go to this hourly. I want to look at CrowdStrike now. But what I was saying, when I looked at my hourly, it was saying like 46 minutes left when it was only 10 minutes before the hourly closed. I said, why the heck my timer say that? And when I looked at my timer and I seen that, I went to my data and it said I had real-time futures data. Of course, because I'm doing it through a broker. But I couldn't, it wouldn't even let me click on the data for the what you call it, the stocks and stuff. It just talking about, it kept saying you got to go through the app, but then I go through the app and it wasn't letting me access it. So I was like, I contacted support, they didn't help. Then I looked on ChatGPT and figured out how to look and see if you had real-time data. You had to click like right here. And because it used to be I could click here and look at it on my billing, but it was only showing futures. So then I clicked here and it said, hey, you need real-time data. I clicked it. We had to purchase that mud, $10. I said, God damn. I thought that whole time we was on real-time data on the stocks. That's why I don't get how the heck we was making all them. That's because we was on higher time frames. That's why we traded off the higher time frames. So I guess that's why we've been doing pretty good. Cause if you ain't got real time data, how the heck you making money like that? Come on now. But maybe with the G.F.T strategy, you don't need the real time data. You don't even need real time data. You can make some money, man. But we end up getting it. So, cause I definitely don't want my timer and stuff looking like that. Come on, man. Why the heck we ain't pushing up now? This counter need to be it right here. This should be the counter to go and take us up there now. Come on. What y'all doing? This should be the counter pushing us on up there. Like I said, we got to be real quick with this stop loss because we are a little bit heavier than normal with with 4 contracts going to potentially get triggered. So we definitely got to be quick with this stop loss. Okay, get it at 1 minute. We got high, low. This still don't matter in here until we make a new high. This is where our first initial stop loss will be down here. We need to go make this new high. Come on, quit playing now. Quit playing. Man, I'm mad that we had that internet issue. That's, you know what? I ain't gonna say I deserved it, but me not doing my thing analysis last night, maybe we would have been looking at the charts being laggy instead of having to do analysis, and we would have already restarted. You know, you never know. I think we about to get triggered here. Come on, man, get us triggered, so we can get on in and out. All right, we triggered. Let's set this stop down here. Go on, get us out this first one. Shoot. Do not want to see this consolidation. Come on, bro. Go on, get us out the first one. Give us a little $20 or so. Make back that loss that we had early. Come on, push up, push up, push up. Come on now. Right there. No, don't reverse. Don't reverse. Oh, we finna get hit with some consolidation. No, push up, man. There we go. Come on. Trigger, trigger, trigger. Oh my freaking goodness. Come on, bro. I do not want to get stuck in consolidation. Oh my goodness, bro. You was one tick away. Don't tell me we finna get hit with consolidation. If it turn red, we definitely finna get consolidated. This at least stay green. Come on. At least stay green. Let's go to 5 minutes. Come on, bro. We are not trying to deal with no consolidation. Oh no. They take this low. We definitely in this consolidation, man. We gonna have to hold the whole time. Oh my goodness. I did not want to see this. It look like we about to get hit with this consolidation. Trash, trash, trash. Come on. Don't do us like this. We're gonna have to hold through. Stop loss is gonna have to stay down there. If we don't get triggered, we're gonna have to hold through. Yes, that's a big stop loss, but hey, we mostly taking off this 5 minutes, so we know that's the next target up there. So long as this 5 minute don't reverse on it, that's the biggest thing. Dang, they was so close to target. Mm-mm-mm. They were, oh heck no. It was that close to target. Now we're about to get chopped up. Do I want to sit through the chop or do I want to just go and cut? I'm trying to think. I think I'm gonna cut. If we come make that lower low, I think I probably cut. I don't think I want to sit through no consolidation. Probably if we just close on there, I'll probably get out. Yeah, look like that consolidation coming, man. Chop City, Chop City. Dang, man. We were so close to target. Now they chopped us up. We're going to get out and we're going to re-enter when we get an uptrend down here. If we flip back green right here, I'm going to be mad at them. But it's too choppy. I ain't finna play that. I want it to go straight to my target. Oh, Mel said barely can hear me. Dang, hold up, Mel. Let me see. I don't know if you been in here or not. Now they push back inside this gap. That's some trash. They push back up and go take that high. We calling it for the day. They faked me out and got right back into it. Yeah, I think I'm about to call it for the day. Dang, man. If they come take this high, I'm calling for the day. I ain't even finna play. We go to walk away. I'm gonna get on my stocks for the rest of the day. If they build this uptrend right now, I swear I'm gonna get off. I swear we're gonna get off. If they come back and make that high, I'm getting off. Y'all better come back down here and give me a better entry. Yeah, I leave. I swear I'm finna get off, y'all. Y'all don't believe me, what? Mel, can you hear me now, though? If you ain't here, Mel. Let them do it. I'm telling you, they better come on, keep this downtrend going. Oh, make that dang low and low. Cause if this uptrend go right here, I'm leaving. I'm getting off. He said I sound much better. Okay, Mel. Mel, I'm so dang mad, bro. I don't know if you was in here at the beginning. We had dang technical difficulty. And get what happened, bro. We literally was looking for this in the pre-market. I mean, before the market opened. What he said, and yep, I'm waiting on that entry too. I'm mad I missed the opening account. Man, look, bro, look at this though. He said on gold and NYM. Yeah, I seen NYM push. Look, bro, I said this at 8:25. I said this is what we looking for above this daily gap. I said all I want to see on the lower time frame is an uptrend, right? And I'm gonna get in, and I'm gonna take it. I said I'm gonna take it to the high, then take it to the top of the gap, bro. It happened when we had one of my what you call it, my trader view wasn't loading, bro, and I had to restart the whole stream. Man, literally the trade happened. I would have been done for the day already. Now I'm getting caught up in this dang chop. We know I already took 2 losses. First loss we lost $40. This loss we just lost 100 right there. We down 100. I'm gonna give us to $200. We lose 200, we through. Or yeah, pretty much we lose 200, we done for the day, I think. Or I'm gonna say this last trade. So it got a range probably between 200 to 250. But I'm done for the day. That must happen. Cause I missed my dang trade, bruh. Literally, this is exactly what I said I was looking for. And I missed that mug because of my dang my internet connection or whatever. I had to restart the whole laptop. But like I said, I can't be mad at nobody but myself because I ain't do my dang analysis last night. And if I would did my analysis last night, we wouldn't have to do it this morning, and I would have seen the laptop was lagging and went ahead and restarted the stream a little sooner. So it all on me not doing my homework on time last night. I take that blame, man. I take that blame. Literally missed my literally we came on at 8:20. We said, bro, we only looking for trades above. Look, I said going to that daily. I said we only look for loans up here. We gotta have uptrend foreign. Then we getting in on number 3 or down below it. I said we don't want to trade nowhere in the middle. So we need trend to form above or below. What happened? 5 minute uptrend form. We had high, low, higher, high. Game over. Took it to the top of the gap. Now we consolidating right now. We consolidating right now. We do got this higher low on these 5 minutes. That's what I was using for my stop. But since I was kind of heavy on my trade, I said we was heavy on our trade. I had to cut it. If I would have went normal size, I'd still been in this trade. But we went a little heavy because I was looking for it to come hit this first target right here, that blue line. Bro, it got right there, like right next to the blue line. So they jade me. They got super close. We was up like $30. Then they just instantly reversed on me. They ain't even gonna hit the target. Where, like I said, my stop loss was down here. So I was technically supposed to still been in, but I just was too heavy on my trade that I just couldn't. And that's the thing. If you ever too heavy on your trade, you can't be saying the strategy don't work because you was too heavy. You gotta cut your trade before your stop loss got hit. He said, yeah, but what's crazy is you said the news for the day and tomorrow was gonna be impactful. Tomorrow the main day. Today was impactful too. That PMI 845. We had PMI 845, so that's pretty much made this counter be this big green counter right here. Cause we was coming down. And I guess when PMI came out, it pushed it all the way back up. So that was this right here. Now tomorrow we got some big news. Like tomorrow, be ready tomorrow. This was a nice move though. But tomorrow, let me pull up the chart real quick. Tomorrow, be ready for real. I ain't even gonna lie. Tomorrow is probably the biggest day. Tomorrow and probably Friday the biggest day. Cause I think if you watch the Sunday, the Sunday what was it, Sunday stream we had, I think I ranked the days and I think I said Wednesday number 1, Friday number 2. Then I said it's between Tuesday and Thursday. I said who's gonna be number 3 because they both pretty much equal. I said Monday supposed to be like the easiest, I think I said. No, or did I say it was between Thursday and Monday and Tuesday supposed to be the easiest day? I think I said it. Let me see. But look at this. This the news for this week, man. And if you ever want to know where I get it from, it's investing.com. And then just go to economic calendar. And I put it on 3-star news. But yeah, I said Tuesday and Thursday the least days, I think. Yeah, I think I said that. I said Monday. I said the biggest day is Wednesday, clearly, January 7th. They got non-farm employment, PMI, ISM, JOLTS, and crude oil. So tomorrow, the biggest day. Then I said Friday, the next biggest. I remember saying that because we got non-farm payrolls, hourly earnings, unemployment rate. Then after Wednesday, Thursday, I think Monday was the next biggest, and then Tuesday and Thursday are the least. Tuesday and Thursday are the least. I mean, they still got 3-star news, so but they the least impactful days, I guess you can say. Like they only got one news, so like today we only had this one news. It's probably the only crazy movement we just have, randomly. Like, of course, if we make trends and stuff, we can drop all the way back down and stuff. But man, come on, what you gonna do? It's probably our last chance to get an entry if we want to go long, because it probably might try to reverse if it take this low here. Might be seeing it drop all the way back down, possibly to somewhere in here. If it don't reverse here. So let's go to that 1 minute, see if we get this reversal to come. We need higher high, higher low. But technically just really need a higher high on the 1 minute. But yeah, man. Today and Thursday the least days. But Wednesday the biggest. So tomorrow is the biggest day. Wednesday is the biggest day. I ain't gonna mad, bro. We was literally right there at target. I probably should have just brought stop loss to break even. Once we was up 30, I should have brought it to break even. That's just like, man, I knew we gonna at least come up there. They done fade me out to chop it up. Okay, we finna get this higher high. Let's see. If we gonna make this higher high, it's gonna make it higher. This is probably the last chance to get a loan. We go to that 5 minute. We need this 5 minute counter to be green. So we need this to be green. Need this to be green. If it don't be green, it's fine. The next one definitely gotta be green. The next one gonna have to push all the way to the high though. If this one don't be green. Dang, bro. I'm sorry about missing my trade earlier though. Man, we would have been done for the day. Let's see. That's what I like to do. I like to put on replay. Put them on replay. Run the replay. Run the replay. Yeah, I probably would have been in what, 2, 3 times? I think I would have been in like 3. Press buy. And I really probably would have been in 5, but we're gonna just say 3. Man, we'd have made 200 right there. Man, we'd have missed our dang trade, bro. That was easy 200 too. We'd have missed our trade because some dang trading view app didn't load up, man. God dang. This trading view fault. Nah, like I said, we should have been on a little soon earlier though. Let's see if this lower logo come. Indicate a reversal. Or is we gonna eventually put it back up, man? Looking at the 5 minute, this is the can't be level if y'all wanna know. This level right here at 25,726. Can't be level. This is the target up here. The first target at least. Well, that's the second target. My bad. I forgot they so close to each other. That's the second target. That's a 5 minute high somewhere over there to the left. This the first target, of course, the high at 25,766. But it break that can't be level. I'm telling y'all, we get some reversal. Cause then the next can't be level all the way down here. And this is what made me didn't want to get in earlier. Cause our can't be level was so low. I was like, we got to make a higher uptrend or something. But we do got gap here to protect the can't be level. Potentially. Actually, no, we don't. It ain't got no wick. It said look like micro gold right quick for me. Okay, I'm finna go. Bet, I got you. He said go look at gold. Now y'all be careful with gold. Gold be moving quick. Well, I ain't even gonna lie. Let me go. We ain't do no analysis on gold. Let's see. Daily. Oh, okay, gold. Pretty much you want to see. So we finally got above it. What we wanted to see was on the lower time frame uptrend form. Uptrend. Hold up. Uptrend form. Above the gap. Take the longs to, let's see. We got previous highs to the left? No, we at all times. We ain't got nothing to the left. Nothing to the left. Okay. That's fine. So we know daily target is this high. So green. Daily can't be level is this potentially the can't be level. We're gonna make it pink. This potentially. At 42.84, that's our potential on a daily. Look like we potentially can make a daily gap, but we can't mark it yet. Let's go to the lower time frame. This is what we look for, Mel, on the lower time frame uptrend form. I don't know what this red line was. We're gonna remove that. So let me go to the hourly. We on the hourly, Mel, real quick. Alright, here we go. We got a little bit more to see. We just made a lower low, higher high. Okay, so we gonna mark this low. If you want to be bullish, Mel, you can't see it go below 44.52.3. And your numbers might be a little bit off because you on top step. Just kind of look and see where that low was at. You know, your number might be 44.52.1, you know, because you on top step. This also is a previous low you can mark out at 44.37.5. I'm gonna make them orange because these are hourly lows. Okay, we got our hourly lows marked out. Targets for the longs, of course, first is high that we clearly rejecting down from. Next, if you look to the left, we got another high here at 45.10.04. And then we also got a fair value gap sitting there, so we're gonna mark that out too. All right. So if you look for a trade, let's go to orange. Okay, we might get in too. Sure, we'll see. Do got a gap here. Okay, we might be trying to retest this hourly gap we made. right here. If this hourly close red, let's go to the 5 minute. Yeah, it's doing a pullback right now. It did break this low. It fell. It failed to close below it though. Hold up, M&Q just broke, so I'll be right back, man. I'll be right back. M&Q just broke, so we gotta go see what that is. It broke that. Okay, yeah. We doing a pullback now. Doing a pullback. Hold up, I might get in and see M&Q shorts. Let's get in one light M&Q short. If this one, God dang, I ain't even get time to switch to the chart. Hold up. Let's get in one light. Stop gonna be right here, so we want to see it push. We want to see if it's gonna push or not. I don't know why it ain't showing up on TraderView. Hold up. Y'all give me a second. I gotta probably log. I thought I was logged in on TradingView. It's supposed to show my trade. Oh yeah, when I restarted, it didn't connect it. Hold on, I'm about to log in real quick. It said current connection, trading broker. I don't know what they talking about. Oh, it's saying I got. What is it saying? MNQ. Oh, I'm logged in on another tab. Oh, okay. Well, let me log out off this tab. Cause I got multiple tabs opened up on TradingView. I ain't know I was logged in on the other tab. Alright, so we should be able to go to this tab. Y'all give me a second. Dang, man. See, you don't do your homework, but you dang be behind. That's all. That's what I'm saying. It's all. I take the blame for this today. We a little behind on some stuff today. So M&Q. Hold up. I probably need to close. Cause guess what I did, y'all? I ain't even. That's what I'm saying, bro. We slacking today. I'm up on the trade, but guess what I pressed, y'all? I pressed dang buy. I'm tripping. Boy, I'm tripping. We took $13 right there. But alright, let me see. Okay, we got this. Yeah. Alright, I think we good now. Dang, boy. Y'all look, I'm gonna tell y'all, y'all ain't gonna see me do this no more. We gonna be ready next time. I'm sorry, y'all. We slacking bad today, bro. We slacking bad today. I ain't even gonna lie. We slacking bad. I'm talking about connection issues, getting in loans when we poke out shorts, everything, bro. My bad. Oh, we did get $12 right there though, or whatever it was. Now let me go back to gold. I think I'm gonna set. If this can close red, I'm gonna set a short position right there. Okay, close red. Let's set one, then we can go check out gold from there. If he ain't already jumped in it. Now I don't want to see no dang high. That one ain't solidified, so we gonna mark it here. Add alert. We only gonna get one position though. If it come down there without taking that high up there. If it take that high, we don't want the short though. Alright, let me go to gold. Mail, I'm sorry if I missed the trade for you or missed the analyzing it. But I had to go check that M&Q once we broke. Alright, like we said, on that hourly, we got the uptrend above this daily gap. So right now I'm still following this uptrend. I'm just looking at this as the pullback right now. All I'm really waiting on is the uptrend to form again to take the loans back up there. On the 1 minute, you got the uptrend form though, but it already hit the first target, which was this high. So now you got to see, is it going to build above this high right here to go to this next high, and then so forth, so forth. But I say stay away from the 1 minute. So I'll wait to the 5 minute, switch back bullish. Cause yeah, I'll wait to the 5 minute. We making some type of high right now. See if we can make a higher high, or if we just make a high, get another red candle, and then make a higher high, then I'll take the longs up to the hourly gap, man. Shorts though, if you want to take the shorts, of course you gotta wait on that first red. And possibly try to aim for this low. Stop loss will be sitting here. You have a tighter stop loss if we can flip red here. But I'm more focusing on that higher time frame being still bullish. So I don't really think I would want to take the shorts. I mean, unless I'm quickly skiing in and out, like I said, just taking it to the first target and probably getting out. But it is rejecting here though. That's the thing. This could lead us to that downtrend. Like it can lead us to a downtrend like that. But as of now, I say still look for the longs. Wait till an uptrend form on that on that 5 minute. So if we can get a red here and then you get a green candle, make a higher high. Of course, your first target is this high to the left. If we can close past, hold it all the way to the top. That's what I'll be looking for. If it's me, only can speak for me. Hopefully that helped you out, man. It said, tell me what you think. Yeah, okay. Hopefully that helped you out, though, man. Now let me go to M&Q. See what we doing, cause it's like M&Q pushing right back up. Come on now. Yeah, let me remove that sell. Let me remove that sell, but nah, we can hold. Let's go to that 5 minute. 5 minute, we got a low high. We just need a lower low with a red candle. That's all we need, bro. All we need. We need a red candle and make a lower low. But literally the first time, God dang, bro. See, that's what I'm saying. First target right here. That's what I'm saying. Oh no, it ain't. We ain't got a gap. I thought that was a dang fair value gap. It's not. It's not. Okay, we good. We good. Let's make sure we ain't got no gap. Okay, we do got one gap here. So maybe that'll be the first initial target. Let's mark that out with a blue line. Alright. So that'll be where we be looking to take it down to. Come on, make that red counter. Now, I'm gonna be mad if it wick us in and flip back green. Golly. I'll be extra mad then. That, like I said, that might be the last trade, boy. But we is light on this. We real light on this trade, so I ain't too worried. Come on, let's see, can we get this drop? Buy limit. See if we can get this drop. Let's go to come on, bruh. Come on, bruh. Don't drop it down for us. Dang, we only one con. We should been 2, 3 of them. Come on, drop. Come on, drop. Give us a little $50. We be straight. A little 50 to make us straight. It's easy to get some wins on the day. I would like for it to just go straight down there with no 1 minute pullback, no 1 minute green candles, just straight all reds to our target. But if it do get us a green, we gonna wait till a lower low come, then we gonna move our stop down. Hopefully it just be all red. Just go straight down to the target, bro. Don't even play. Come on. There go get us a pullback. This though all red. Come on. All red. All red. All red. Nope. We gonna have to wait. We don't mind waiting though. But it just make the trade better when it just go straight to target. No pullback. We waited out though. We surely waited out to target. Alright, we gotta see a lower low, then we can bring our stops down. I gotta see it turn red though. I can't. This don't count as it. This don't count as the lower low unless it close red, cause it can flip back green on us. So we can't bring the stop down just yet. We gotta see the red candle. Gotta see a red candle. Come on, you almost at target. You might as well just go to target. Don't even come back up. Go on to target. We don't even shop at Walmart. I'm just playing. Come on, man. Oh, mail set for sure, bro. Yeah, no problem, no problem, no problem. It closed red, we bring a stop right down here. We might get stopped out, but hey, okay, we got target. There we go. $61 right there in the paint. Hurry up, man. See, I'm moving too slow. Cause I'm gonna shoot up and fill us in them dang sales up here. I'll be mad. We got target. It could keep dropping, but we out. You know what I'm saying? We just took it to target. We had to bounce back after having all the technical difficulties earlier. You know, and we missed our main trade. I had to at least get a win under our belt for the day. Uh, we might actually be on a little longer today just because I did miss about the first hour because we didn't have our stuff loading up because of Trading View. So I might stay on till 11. Or yeah, until about 11 because we did miss this first whole 15, 20 minutes. Or until I lose till I lose about 150 since we just made 60 right there. We go negative 150, then I'm off. 1 and 2, whichever happens first. Let's see, let's see. So it's bouncing off that 5 minute gap we marked out over here. It's bouncing off of it. That gap right here. That our target we had. That's why I just aimed for that, because I was like, bro, it might bounce right off of it. See, it's bouncing perfectly off the top of this gap. We got to see. If it want to keep dropping, it got to start closing underneath that gap. You can't be pushing up. So now, if an uptrend form off of this, then we might go right back long, or we might go back long. You got to see. If an uptrend start forming off this, might go long back to this high. And if it can break that high, keep going, that might be the high to take us all the way back up here. Only thing I don't like, oh, my bad, I'm yawning and stuff. Only thing I don't like is we is inside, go to that daily, we is inside the dang daily gap. And y'all know I don't like trading in the gaps. I like to trade outside of gaps. And remove these alerts. They dang confusion. Remove these alerts. We can always add them back. Alright, but yeah, I don't like trading in the dang gaps. I don't know what this is. Delete that. Let's delete all this stuff. We don't need none of that stuff. We always can add it back. Alright. Oh, that was a 5 minute low. My bad. I ain't mean to delete that, but it's alright. That was that 5 minute level we weren't supposed to beat, but we already beat it, so it don't matter. But yeah, we ain't back inside the gap. Y'all know I don't like that. I don't like trading back in the gap. But one or two things, if we back in the gap, either take them shorts, if as long as we in a downtrend, back down to this daily gap, or if we start reversing and come back up, take the longs, back up again, trying to aim for that next gap. That's literally what we're gonna do. So as of right now, we go to the lower time frame. We in that downtrend, back inside the gap. Honestly, we probably could have held to potentially come down here to this dang gap. I think we might want to take them shorts again. We probably should have held. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, we probably should have held. Because it is in a downtrend underneath the gap. We probably could have stayed in our dang trade. Because right now the Bears are in control. This is the solidified level right here. Dang, we probably could have held that trade. The next low. Good. Like I said, this is not no gap right here. We did have a gap over there, but I think we finna close below it. Let's see. We actually marked this gap out. Let's mark the gap. I think we're gonna get below it. Now we see a 5-minute green candle push back up. Then okay, we might either consolidate or we finna reverse. But I'm thinking we gonna go below it. Let's see. Reset chart view. We show sitting there at that dang gap. Let's see if it's gonna. It did disrespect it though. It did come to the other side, so it disrespected it, but it got a close pass. And what we looking for? Once it close pass, all we looking for is what? A downtrend underneath, probably on the 1 minute. So boom, boom, we get in, take it down to the either the next 5-minute gap, which is right here. So we can mark that. With blue. I don't think we. Oh, never mind, bro. We got a gap here. I don't even know if I want to hold it through that. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. We might go real light. All right, we pushing below, but we might go real light though. Real light in them shorts. So one contract like we did last time. I might go and get in now. Stop, sit up here. I just want to see a close below though. That's the thing. But it do look like get in now. Stop right there. I just want that close below. Cause no close below is just like, man, we can literally close right back above, reverse, go all the way back up. I really want to see this close below. Close below. If I'm going to want these short, that 5-minute can't be level. 5-minute can't be level all the way down here. So, got some room to keep going down. But at the same time, this market want to stay bullish. It got to bounce at one of these 5-minute gaps somewhere. So, if this close below just be a big drop, I just ain't going to be able to get in. I just wanted to barely close below. That's it. And then I can get in. And it's going to have to be a quick scalp because y'all remember we just seen on that 5-minute. It's some more gaps like right here. Look. Yeah, I already tapped into that other gap. Yeah, I don't even know if we want. I don't know if we want to take that. I don't like. Look, there's a gap here, gap here. There's so many gaps that it can bounce off of. I don't even know if I want that much. Dang. But it is getting us a close below. We might take one. We taking one. Sometimes you gotta risk it for the biscuit. All right, let me see the 5 minute. 5 minute, we got a couple seconds. Come on, we taking one. Stop gonna be tight though. We going straight back to this high. And if it just close green back above, I'm probably gonna cut myself. See. Oh snap! What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? What's going on? Can we keep going? Got there ain't 1 minute gap. It's supposed to be in target right here. This is our first target. But we gonna hold. We gonna hold. We gonna hold. We holding. Don't flip green. Don't flip green. No. Come on. Can you close inside? It close inside, our stop going straight to the top of here. We're gonna bring this stop right here on the top of the cap. If it close inside there. That's if it close inside there. It might not close inside there right now. It might make us some type of high. Then we gotta see a lower low. But in an event that it do close in there, bring a stop instantly right there. Come on, close inside. Close inside. Close inside. Close. Oh man. We getting the pullback. We gonna hold it through. We gonna hold it through. We ain't scared, man. We ain't scared. Come on. All it's doing is just letting us be able to make potentially bring our stop loss down to a new lower high. As long as it don't kick us out of the trade. Come on. If this close red right here, that'd be nice. Telling y'all, we saying stop right on the gap. I ain't even trying to see it come retest the top. Nothing. I just want to see a straight drop. There we go. I ain't gonna lie. Let's go and exit. We gonna take that. We ain't letting no pullback. It still can drop potentially, but we ain't finna let it even pull back. I think it's gonna still get to that bottom, but we took that 30 real quick. So we got 60 plus 30, that's 90. Come on. Let's go to that 5 minute. We got to delete all this lower time frame stuff though. Alright, back on the 5 minute. Man, is we gonna come take this low? I think we definitely finna retest this. I'm definitely seeing us potentially retest this. Yeah, we could have held, but I ain't want to risk no pullback. That would have was. I just didn't want to risk the pullback. If it didn't finish, if it didn't clear this 1 minute, I've been a little bit mad. You know, if we end up flipping green and going all the way back up, and I had to sit, like kind of like how we did up here. We got close to my target, and then I had to wait, you know, to see if it was gonna continue or not. So we just took our money and left. That's all. We took our money and left. Let's go to the hourly. Let's look at the hourly. See what the hourly doing. Hourly. We got higher high. Okay. Low. So higher low, higher high. So this is the solidified level on hourly. Oh yeah, good thing we did get out. Look at this, y'all. We sitting right at the hourly gap that potentially can bounce inside this area. So we can bounce at any moment at this area. So we did get out at a good spot. Let me mark it out so y'all can see. We can bounce. If it was market wanting to go long, we can bounce anywhere at this hourly. You see that? So we actually got out at a good spot. It can bounce it can bounce anywhere in this area for the loans to get back in control. Oh, oh man, back and look, boom, coming back up. We would have been right back at break even. We actually been negative right now. Good thing we closed, boy. Good thing we closed. We be seeing it before it bounce on us. Good thing we closed right there. Man, you still up in here, bro? Let me go check out that gold. My boy Mel was talking about gold earlier. Gold still coming down a little bit. Okay, man, I just seen your text. That what up, bro? That's what's up, man. I think I'm gonna get one more trade in, y'all. One more trade, and then we're gonna call it. Cause I need to look at my dang options. Look at my options, and I got some stuff to do also. Yeah, man. Remember we said we needed that 5 minute to switch to potential uptrend, right? It made that high, made that low, and then boom, it made a higher high. Okay, it made a higher high. But the first target, what I said, first target right here, it took that first target and instantly reversed right back down. So hopefully, if you did get in, you only aim for the first target. Because if you was aiming for the highs, man, that kind of tricked you a little bit. If you did get in them goals, because I know you was looking at them goals. Oh man. It literally only got to one target and instantly reversed after it took the target. All right, we got the green counter for M&Q. Is we gonna reverse back to an uptrend to start coming back for the highs? That's the question. That's the question. Especially if this hourly counter close green, I'm definitely gonna like them highs. I mean, taking them back to the highs potentially. If this hourly counter close green, ooh wee, take them back to the high. I'm telling you, that's what I'm gonna be looking for. I'm gonna be looking to take it back to the high. Let me see. Let me go to the lower time. My bad, y'all. I was on a dang. I was Oh snap. Should we take a loan? I was texting real quick. My bad, y'all. My bad. My bad. We might take one light loan. One light loan. One light loan. Let's see. I'm gonna go to that 5 minute real quick. 5 minute. Is it green? Yeah, it's green. Mm. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait it out. 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 I kind of want to get in though. I ain't gonna lie. How many minutes we got to the five? 2 minutes. I need us to stay above this gap. Need us to stay above this gap. If we make that lower low, we're gonna have to wait on the pushback or make a higher high. All right, yeah, we gotta wait. Make that lower low. But I definitely like one long potentially. Definitely like one long potentially. If we can push back above and make it high. That 5 minute need to close green. 5 minute close green. Close red, we ain't touching it. We ain't touching it. Nope. Yeah, look like we ain't finna have to touch it then. Close red. Might be still trying to come back down. Gotta leave it alone. Gotta leave it alone. Let it make its low. See what it's doing. Okay. Let's see. If it take this high, we only get in if we close past the high. We ain't gonna get in just off of taking the high. We gotta see it close past that high. We're really supposed to wait till a structure form above that high, but it might just shoot straight up though. That's nice. We just go real light. One contract. And the first target clearly here. Oh, well, never mind. We got a gap there. Dang, never mind. I was gonna get in just off us closing pads, but we got a whole 1 minute gap. Sitting there. So now we need to be above it. Yeah, that's what I'd rather see. I'd rather see us drop a little more. Definitely rather see us drop some more. Oh man. Oh, excuse. My bad, y'all. Oh my God. Let me look. Crowd strike. I think I'm dang. Oh, it made that lower low. Is it gonna close red? That's the thing, man. Is it gonna still stay red? Let's see. We closed underneath it one candle. Is it gonna stay underneath that now? Is it gonna stay underneath that low? We trying to know if it's gonna go. Oh no. That ain't Tesla. Oh my goodness, bro. This is ridiculous. This is absolutely ridiculous for Tesla. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my, what happened to Virgil? What happened to Tesla, bro? Well, what happened to Tesla? That mug gone. That mug look tragic. Oh my goodness. This is boy Tesla. This is ridiculous. I don't even be keeping up with the news. What happened to Tesla, y'all? They stuff. I'm talking about plummet. That junk ain't even funny, boy. I ain't gonna know what Tesla got going on. All right, y'all, I gotta go back to M&Q because it look like we pushing back up. Like getting that uptrend forming on the 5 minute. We probably getting it long. Might getting these long. Let me go to that 1 minute real quick. Give us a red candle, please. Give me a 1 minute red candle, then come take the high. If you just take the high, that's gonna suck. But give us a 1 minute red candle, then take the high. Give us a 1 minute red candle, then come take the high. Give us a 1 minute red candle. That's what I want to see. And then go take the high. That's all I need to see, man. That's all I need to see. Where the 5 minute target to be at? 5 minute target, we already got a gap. The gap basically where the 1 minute gap at. Dang, bro. Do I want to even take this trade? Literally target right here. That ain't no type of trade for real. Target literally right there, bro. That's probably $10. Dang. Let's see. Well, that's probably $10, bro. I don't know if I like it. Man, we're gonna bring what's called up. This hourly got a close green. Let me go look at the 15. 15 close green. Look, target right there. Target in the same spot for both of them. I'm gonna be mad at tap here and go right back down, bro. If they pull back one more time, I'm gonna add so we can have a better win of risk to reward. So if we can get another pullback, I don't even think we're gonna get it. That ain't even $10. That was $5. That was a $5. You gotta just squeeze here. We literally gotta squeeze because if it don't, it's over with. Go. Ah, well, we took like 15. It did close past though, so I think we're gonna keep going up. Let me look at the 5 minute. Yeah, I think we finna go up. I just brought my stop too high up. I think we finna keep going. Let's see. I think I just moved my stop too high. That was all. We're gonna give it a second. But I'm thinking we're gonna keep going up, y'all. I think we're gonna keep going up. If it give us a red count, we gotta see how far down it's gonna drop. Is it gonna go right back underneath here or not? If it do give us a red, oh, it's going green. I think we're going up. Set the stop down here. 5, 4, 3, 2. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. We just scalping this. Honestly, that's all we doing, y'all. We scalping this. Every $10 we bring stop up. Every $10 we bring stop up. We'll take $10 at a time. Shoot. $12 at a time. There we go. Hey, we scalping this mug, bro. We scalping it, mug. We don't know if that mug pull all the way back down or not. We scalping it, mug. Until we clear all these dang gaps. Until we clear these gaps, I'm scalping my way to the top. Right here. Once we get here, then I should be good. Well, actually, all the way till we get up here, then we should be good. We ain't got scalp no more. It should be clear uptrend. So we gonna scalp until we get all the way up to 726. Then we good. We gonna put a yellow line like that's the golden spot. Once we get up there, if we can close and build above there, we should be completely good, y'all. So right now it's just gonna be some scalps till we get up there. So we caught what? We have made what, 15, 12, 27 right there. Come on. We'll go to 5 minute. See, where we close? Did we close above the 5 minute gap or in it? Oh, we ain't. Hold up. Did we close in the 5 minute gap? Oh, we closed above it. Look, dang, good thing we did what we did. That's why I was saying that first red could bring us right back below. Good thing we did what we did, scalping. That's exactly what I was expecting. I was like, bruh, one red candle could bring us all the way back below that 1 minute gap. Oh, shoot. I had to stretch, man. If y'all don't know, I've been dang in the gym lately, y'all. Working out. That ain't bad. I gotta go stretch. And look, also, y'all go subscribe to It's the Real Keys. I'm gonna link it on this page. That's gonna be where I do like vlogs and stuff. So if y'all ever want to see what I'm doing in my regular life, y'all go follow that. I'm gonna start putting the gym. I'm gonna start putting vacations, all that stuff on there. So y'all go subscribe, check out It's the Real Keys. That's all it is. It's the Real Keys. Like I said, I'm gonna try to put the link. Oh man, good thing we scalped that mud to this high, bro. Good thing, 'cause that mud came right back down. Quick scalp. I think I'm about to get ready to call it. It's 10:30, y'all. I think I'm finna call it. I don't know. Or should we just go on to 11? We can go on to 11. We can go on to 11. Let's go on to 11. That Tesla, oh my goodness, that mud. Horrible. That mud. Tesla coming to 426, y'all. I'm telling y'all. That's what they're doing. It's just going down to 426. That mud. Jeez, please, bro. Like, what in the heck? I wanted to get in that Tesla, but no contract, bro. Ain't nobody trying to spend no $300-400. Y'all know I don't. I usually like to buy my contract after Wednesday, cause I can get them for the low. I'm talking about you get in the money contract $200 or less. When it be the beginning of the week, bro, it be $600 for an in the money contract. I like to spend 200, turn my 200 to 600, 700. Shit. I like to risk very little if I can. Um, I don't like risking a lot. Like paying 600 to possibly only make 400 or 500. No, I don't like 1-to-ones. I like 2-to-1, 3-to-1. Oh, one. I mean 1-to-3, 1-to-2. Let me see. Let me see. I mean, I could get in some spies and stuff, but they ain't really. All right, if we get this green count, like I said, we get the green alley counter, I might get in the spy loan back to 690. That might be the trade I take and get a 2-day contract. That might be the trade I take. We gotta get back above, and we gotta close green. So let me set alert. Even though this line ain't what I'm talking about, I'm just saying this. If we somehow cross up, close above on the hourly. No, I want this to be hourly. How you switch it to the hourly instead of the daily? Yeah, we just deleted it. I want to know when they flip green. If this candle flip green. They kind of close green. Potentially look for the longs back up to here, y'all. Stop. My stop will be. That is a big stop though. That's the thing, bro. That's a big stop loss. 687, and I'm only trying to go up $1. That's very risk reward is not good. I mean, I could go to a lower time frame and trail, but I don't like. I'm gonna be honest. I don't like trailing my stop with options. Just because you get faked out, you done for the day with with that amount of money you spent. So if I'm only trying to risk $200 and I get stopped out on my trade, even if it's in profit, and I've spent 200 for it, can't spend no more 200 till tomorrow. I ain't trying, cause I ain't finna risk no more money. So that's the thing, bro. I want like trailing stocks on options. Either we hitting TP or we going to the stop loss. That's how I like to do it. Either go to TP or go to the stop loss on my options. Cause you trail that mud, bro, you gonna get faked out a lot of times. I'm gonna be honest. Gonna get faked out. And you gonna be mad because now you gotta wait a whole another day to trade. Alright, if we starting to push back up, let's see. We got high, low, higher, high. All we need is a green counter. Come back up. All we need is a green counter. We're gonna take another long back to the high. It is a 5-minute gap sitting here though. So I say all we need is a green counter. Really, if we can get above this 5-minute gap with the green counter. Shoot. And then that'll be the first target up there on this 5-minute. Green. Stop loss will be down here. Well, actually, it'll probably be down here. My bad. Not until we take that high, then it'll bring it up. So, what's that? Our risk reward is a little lower on the 5-minute, but we gonna adjust it on the 1-minute when it happens. Okay? We're gonna adjust it on the 1-minute. Because the risk reward is not the best right now. So boom, that's the risk reward as of on the 5-minute. When we get to the 1-minute, if we know we above here, and we get some red counters, we can definitely bring it up, or we can at least bring it up to here. If this initiate our uptrend, bring it up to here, then wait until we get some new higher lows, keep bringing it up. Pretty much trailing our stop loss. Just initial green though. Do we want to get in just off of being a green? No, yeah, we can, cause this is an uptrend right now on the 1-minute. We just literally have to have our stop down here. That's the thing. Yeah, I think you know what? Let's get in one. Let's get in one. Let's get in one. Stop down here. If it can stop us out, it stops us out. Stop down there. First target is up there. We're gonna let it rock. Let it rock. Let it rock. If we get another pullback, I think I'm gonna add one more. And then we're gonna sell one here and see if the next one can keep going. Can we get a little bit more of a pullback? I don't think we're gonna get it. Yeah, I don't think we can get the pullback. Might not get the pullback. Oh, did we close underneath? Oh, we probably get the pullback. We close underneath. Oh, we got 1 more minute. We close underneath. We probably get our pullback. We was talking about. Man, they out here playing, bro. Come on, huh? What? Oh no! Man, I messed it up. Dang, I messed it up. I pressed it on Trading View. Mm. You supposed to do it on TraderVate. I added a position by mistake on TraderView, so it didn't copy trade or nothing. That was my fault. That was my fault. Dang, that was my fault, y'all. I ain't mean to press it on there. That was my fault. Mm. We gotta rock with it though. We gotta rock with it. Dang, don't come wick us out and go back up. That's gonna suck. That was like it's trying to do. No, don't wick us out. Look like we about to get wicked out, y'all. If it can't bounce here, we about to get wicked out. Come on. Go on, bounce back up. Bounce back up. But this account is down 70. The other one got cut in half because this I didn't copy trade it. So the other one down like $30. Dang, we getting wicked out. Yep, we got wicked out. Dang, man. I seen it coming too. I seen it coming. And it might bounce right back up. Only way it ain't is if it come down here, but I think we can push right back up. Right back up. I think we're gonna call it, y'all. We're gonna reserve some of the money we made. I think we're gonna call it. I think we're gonna call it. Ain't no need to risk. What the word? I thought I exited. Hold on now. Ain't no need to risk the money we made for today, so I think I'm gonna go and call it. Only way I'm gonna get in, like I said, I posted on our page. We gotta close green for this hourly for me to want to get in. Gotta close green. But all right, y'all have a good one.